Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the fatal error when pushing to Bitbucket using Git. This is a common issue that occurs when your SSH keys aren't properly configured, and solving it will allow you to push and pull code seamlessly from your repositories. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can access all your repositories and account settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen, right beside your profile avatar. You'll see a settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various account management options that will help you customize your Bitbucket experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Personal Bitbucket Settings. This section contains all the configurations related to your individual account, including security settings, which is exactly where we need to be to resolve this issue. Once you're in the Personal Settings area, turn your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find several categories listed. Click on Security, and then from the Security options, select SSH keys. SSH keys are essential for authenticating your connection between your local machine and Bitbucket without having to enter your password every time you push or pull code. Next, you'll need to add a new key. Click on Add Key. This will open a form where you can input the details of your SSH key, which is what will authorize your machine to communicate with Bitbucket securely. In the form that appears, you'll see a field asking for a label or name. Go ahead and type or enter a name for this key. This name should help you identify which machine or purpose this key is associated with, making it easier to manage multiple keys in the future. Now comes the crucial part. Navigate to your SSH public key on your local machine. Once you've located it, copy the entire key. Then, paste your SSH public key into the text field provided below the name field. Make sure you've copied the entire key correctly, as any missing characters will prevent the authentication from working properly. Finally, click Add Key to save your new SSH key to your Bitbucket account. Bitbucket will now recognize your machine when you attempt to push or pull code, and the fatal error you are experiencing should be completely resolved. And that's it. You've successfully added your SSH key to Bitbucket and fixed the fatal error issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.